Hey guys, welcome to the next video of Tableau tutorials for parameters, and I will take this conversation that we started with the previous video where we created a dynamic reference line which is movable based on what date I am changing. So I'm changing it to 1st of July. As you can see, this is changing. Now what I want to do is I want to divide the colors also. So what is prior to the threshold is something is represented in some other color, and what is afterwards to a threshold is represented in some other color. So how I can do that is pretty straightforward. So if I go into data and over here, if I create one calculated field, now you can give a calculated field based on the business idea you are creating this threshold. So for example, product launch date is one idea which I gave you, and we want to analyze the sales prior to the product launch date and after the product launch date. It can be others as well, that you entered into a new segment of the market, new geographical area, any government policy changed, maybe related to tax or anything which is impacting your sales. You can create a threshold based on that. Alright, so what I'll do is I will just say that my this date divide is less than equal to order date or not. Well, that's how easy it is, and click apply. Okay, and as you know, this will return the Boolean operation. So if I go and say product launch date over here, which is, you can see it is a true false, and if I put it over color over here, and now I have my colors. Now if you want to change the color, you can edit the color based on your need, what is true and what is false. Maybe false is something I want to represent with red, and true is something which I represented by green, and click apply, and okay, and color is changing. Now let's say this is not basically a 1st of July which is represented here, but something which is 1st November. So I will go here and change it to 1st of November, and my date is changing. This reference line is changing, and as you can see, this color is changing. To make it more impactful, just look at how it changes when I put it on 1st of May, and if I April, May. So as I click, I'll just click on this, and you will see that colors are coming it up to over here for red. So 1st of May, and that's where your color is also moving along with the line. So that's way you will create a little bit more intuitive interface, which is easily consumable for the eyes of your end users, because color provides a very good way to consume a lot of busy information for a normal user who needs to quickly build up some sort of an idea about the data that you are presenting. So that way you can add colors along with the threshold line, which is a dynamic line, and get the best out. Alright, I'll meet you now in a new video, some new topic.